Go get her, Ellie, go get her! Hello, good afternoon everybody. This is another Toro family vlog. We are out here at our park in our neighborhood because Miss Eliana is learning how to ride a bike. I just put together her frozen bike. We got the training wheels on and she's out here for the first time learning how to ride a bike. She's doing really well. I'm using my new iPhone 11, so if the audio is a little muffled, that's probably why, because I don't have a microphone on here, and so yes, you might hear a little wind noise. Oh, here she comes. Hold on, look, there she is. There she is. There's Eliana. There she is. Oh. Go, 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 Ellie, go. Go get her, Ellie, go get her! Alright, so I forgot my GoPro equipment, but I'm trying my new iPhone 11 to make a video of Eliana on her first bike ride.
Yeah! Another turn. So that's tiring, man.
Alright, so you get, I don't know if you can see, hold on, let me show you. So if you go this way, it's all downhill until you get to about there, and then it's all uphill. So all over. So we're gonna have Avery ride it halfway around, and then we'll let Ellie go halfway the other way. So, anyways, here we go.
Come on. Oh, there you go. Go faster. Come on, you're going. Yeah!
Whoa, Eliana! All right, so I'm also getting my exercise in because I'm running next to her, but it's really warm out. Whoop, don't step in dog poop. Okay, yeah, so I'm using my iPhone 11. I don't have a microphone on here, so it might be a little windy, so I apologize for the wind noise, but nonetheless, we're testing out the video and the camera to see how it is. So I hope you guys enjoy it, so let's check her out.
All right, now turn.
Anyway, so I was saying, when Avery would normally take it from back there and then ride it all the way around, and then she rides it up to the hill, but Eliana's doing really well, so yeah. So anyways, we're gonna go around a little bit. It's gonna be a short little video, but it'll be a lot of fun. So great job to Miss Eliana. She's got our new hot pink hat on. Woohoo! Got her helmet. All right, so we're gonna get some B-roll, do some other things. You guys have a magical day. Thanks for watching. Give Eliana a thumbs up. Give her some nice little shout outs for how awesome she did. So anyways,
What about me? I'm the one
be sure to give Avery a thumbs up for
pedaling up the hill.
for going up the hill. She's doing all the hard work. So anyways, thanks a lot Thanks a lot you guys for watching. Have a magical day. Give us a thumbs up. We'll catch you guys later.